Today, let's pronounce the word lecture. I'm going to break this word down for you step by step so that you can pronounce this word more like a native speaker. But before I do that, I want to remind you about the discount that's currently on offer at British Accent Academy. All self-paced courses are on offer at 20% off for a very, very limited amount of time. Now, students are absolutely loving these self-paced video courses. I've poured years and years of experience teaching English pronunciation into these video tutorials and lectures, and you're going to absolutely love learning all of the different techniques that you'll need to pronounce English really, really clearly and confidently every single time. Your accent doesn't need to hold you back from communicating your true potential in English. And I'm going to help you to feel a lot better about how you pronounce English, even if you're experiencing some native language interference, which is very normal. I'm going to show you how to get over that, how to fix all of your errors, and how to pronounce really clearly so that you sound like the you that you want to be. So many students have found success in these courses, and you're next. So click on the link in my bio to get this amazing offer while it still lasts. It's your opportunity to learn from a real expert, that's me, and to really own your pronunciation. So let's get back to pronouncing lecture. This word is a very common word in the academic world of English. A lecture is when a professor speaks in front of a large group of students. Usually a lecture is a little bit less interactive than a tutorial. The professor will have slides in the lecture and students will write down key information. Lecture. Let's break this down phoneme by phoneme, starting with the schwa at the end. Make your face as lazy as you possibly can for that schwa. Ch, ch, ch. You've got a ch afterwards where we touch the tongue on the alveolar ridge and then we pull the tongue back. Ch, ch, ch. It's a voiceless sound. Ch, 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 ch. But we turn the voice back on for that schwa, that lazy vowel at the end. Ch, ch, ch. Before that, we've got a k. Now, this is a bit strange because having a k and a ch together might be very challenging. You want a soft release on that k. So touch the back of the tongue on the soft palate and then softly k, 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 k. Very softly release that k. We don't want a hard k because the ch comes next, and that's where we get most of the air release. Kch, kch. The vowel in this word, the first vowel, is spread and the tongue is front. So if you're an Arabic speaker, be particularly careful with this sound. Make sure that your tongue tip is near your bottom teeth. And that your lips are nice and spread. Ekcha, ekcha, ekcha. The first sound is a nice flappy la la la. In British English, this is normally clear. In RP, la 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 la, meaning the back of the tongue is doing nothing, the tip of the tongue is flapping. Le, le, le. Lecture, lecture, lecture. Have you ever been to a lecture at a university? Even if you're not enrolled in a course at a university, sometimes you can audit a lecture, meaning you attend and you're not a student, but you just want to watch. Sometimes that's allowed. I don't know if you knew that or not. I always mean to do that, to audit lectures, but I always forget it's possible. Lecture, lecture, lecture. La 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 lecture, lecture, lecture. At British Accent Academy, I break each word down into its component parts. We examine each individual speech sound, looking at precisely how to use our voice and our articulators to articulate clearly and confidently. I also show you how to link words more like a native speaker, how to use rhythm and melody in context, and if you want lots of one-on-one support, you can opt for the premium service. This includes one-on-one lessons and personalised materials, including an MP3 file that you can use to practice. There are gaps where you'll repeat after me. So, if you'd like the self-paced courses, the recorded video lessons that I've poured so much time and energy and expertise into, then head to the link in my bio to get the discount. If you want the premium service, scroll down a little bit and you can click on the options there. And I can't wait to meet you very soon. Also, all paid products at British Accent Academy come with a live Zoom workshop. So you'll be able to ask me all your questions.